Hello guys, welcome back to this series on C programming. In this video we will continue with the exercise in C structure programming. So the exercise is to write a C program that creates a couple structure containing two integers representing the age of the woman and that of the man. So in this structure we have the age of the woman and the age of the man. Then use it to create an array of structure where it stores a list of age of the couples. So we have here a couple structure. Inside we have the female and we have the age of the woman and the age of the man. Okay. Then display the percentage of couples where the woman is older than the man. So let's start and try this exercise on Dev. So the first thing here, we'll create a new exercise. For sure, C extension. The first thing that we have to do, we have to create our struct. So we have here struct, for example, couple. Inside, what do we have? We have F for woman and int H for man. Okay? In those variables, we will register the age of the woman and here the age of the man. Yeah? The first thing, struct, we have an array of couples. So we have to create the first letter of the struct is uppercase, couple, for example, C, or for example, 100. And after we will ask for the number of couple. Just it's a memory allocation. That's why we are taking a big number. So printf. The first thing we will ask the user how many couples do you want to work with. So please enter the couple number. Scanf, we have person D and we have address of n. Yeah, we have to add the declaration of n. We have int n. Each variable must be declared. Now we will enter the different age of the different couple that we have in this array. So for is equal to 0, e less than n, and e plus plus. Now we will write printf couple. For example, person D. For example, we write couple number 1 or person D1. We have here, we will add /n. We will write e plus 1. We want couple number 1, couple 1, couple 2, couple 3. We cannot write here e because e is starting from 0. We cannot write couple 0, so that's why we want to start with 1. Printf. Please give the woman age scanf. The woman age will be registered inside this variable. So we have person D, address. What is the structure that we are working with? We are working with the structure C, so it's C. And we have an array, so it must be C of I dot F. Now we will give the man age. Please give the man age. It will be registered in age, so it will be address C of I dot age. Yeah, we give the different age. It's okay for our for. Now we have to compare the age of the woman and the man inside each couple. So here, for e is equal to 0, e less than n, e plus plus, if what we are going to compare, c of I dot f and c of I dot h. So if c of I dot f is bigger than c of I dot h, what you are going to do? Yeah, we need a counter that will count for us if the c of I dot f is bigger than c of I dot h in this couple. So for example, k plus plus. Here we have our counter, we have to declare it here, and k is equal to 0. Here also we are using I, so we have to add the declaration of this variables. So we have here I, and we have k is equal to 0. Now, the exercise is asking us to count the percentage of this, the percentage when the age of the woman is greater than the age of the man. So here, plus plus, okay, printf, a woman are older than man in percent. Let's take also just two numbers after the decimal, 2f of couple. So here we have here the women are older than men in percent to f of couple. We have here we have to calculate this percent. So how we calculate this percent? It's, for example, here result, it's equal to k multiplied by 100 and divided by n. So this is the percent that we are looking for. We have k here, the result, how many women older than the man. We have here result, it's k multiplied by 100. Here we have to close here, the 4 must be closed here, because the result, the final result, must be calculated after we finish all our array. Okay, so we have here result is equal to k multiplied by 100 and divided by n. The women are older than men in percent to f of couple. We have here percent n. We have here result. Yeah, we have to declare this result. So we have here float, or let's take it as int result. Let's try if we have a problem in this exercise. Yeah, we have something wrong here. Yes, we have here okay, let's organize this code. I think I deleted something here. Okay, please enter the couple number, for example 3. Couple 1, give the woman age, for example 25, the man age 20. Give the woman age, for example 45, the man 50. The third couple, for example, 65, 50. So here, the women are older than men in 0 of couple. So here, we have a mistake. We have here, the women here are older, and here also they are older. Let's see the mistake here. Yes, here we have percent D. The result is with percent D, so it must be, it's integer, so it must be percent D. This is the mistake, that's why we couldn't get the result. The couple number 3, please keep the woman age 25, 20, 65, 50 here. So the women are older than men in 100% of couple. Okay, so here let's add here, for example, percent to get the percent marks. Let's try again. We have here how many couple numbers? 3 again. For example, 25, 20, 30, 40, and we have 50, 45. The women are older than men in 66 of couple. Yeah, let me delete this one, no need. Okay, so let's execute again. Yes, the women are older than men in 66% of couple. Let's try this one. Yes, the women are older than men in 100% of couple. So it's okay now for this exercise. We don't have nothing to change. I hope you understand the different steps of this exercise. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to write a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to get notified for next video. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.